Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get refund on Temu without returning. Temu has refund policies stating some of the criteria under which you can refund a product. To get refund on Temu without returning, first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Then here you'll be taken to Home section. Now tap on You on the downside. Now you can see small headphone icon on the top right. Tap on a small headphone icon. Now here on the last you can see Still cannot solve the problem. Tap on Contact Us option. With this it will take you to Virtual Assistant of Temu. Now here you can have conversation with the virtual assistant under the customer service of Temu. For this, tap on the rectangular box present on the down. Then enter Can I get a refund? Then tap on plain icon present on the side of the box. After this, now Temu will respond to you. Now if you have ordered from Temu, then you'll be able to find Select an Order option on the response. You need to tap on Select an Order option. Then you need to select the return item. After this, click on Return/Refund option. Now you need to choose the method of your refund. Temu will be able to show you the review of the return instruction. You need to go through all the instruction and then you need to negotiate on the term of not returning the item. After negotiation, Temu customer service might ask for evidence regarding the damage of the material or the item, including the photo evidence. After you complete with the process, now the customer service will review through your evidence and will message you regarding whether you can get a refund without returning or not. This is how we can get refund on Temu without returning. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.